are headed into the cruise ship terminal. We drop our bags and then I guess we check in and go through customs and then get on the ship. So exciting! Are you guys excited?
Yes. Yeah.
All right, so we have, after about an hour and a half, made it through security finally, and getting on the gangway. Here we go. Woo! Loading the ship up. Wait for me, people. Leslie.
It was a little bit crazy in there, but once they figured out that we really were supposed to go in a priority line, it moved a little more quickly, so that was nice. Although we got the guy who I think we might have been his first customers ever, but that's cool.
What's up, bud? Are you excited? About what?
Clothes. Wait, Dan. What? I'm confused.
Yes. Alright, so we are dropping off our bags, hopefully.
Great Outdoors on Deck 12 aft, and Ocean's Bar and Grill on Deck 8 midship are all open at this time.
Alright,
Visit the
here's
shore
our
excursion
room.
desk for the most exciting tours of our ports of call, and the shore excursion desk is located on Deck 7 midship.
Alright, Aiden, Jennings, here's your room.
Here's your room over here.
I have a TV in my room.
Yeah, what do you guys think?
This is awesome.
Who gets top bunk?
Me. I call talk bunk. You always get talk bunk. No, I don't.
Uh-oh, we might have to flip a coin for it.
Darn it. At home.
You want to see your bathroom?
I want talk bunk.
Your very own bathroom? With your very own shower? What do you think?
Awesome. Hey, Aiden, you know what's exciting about bottom bunk? What? I don't get the TV.
So, they gave us honey.
Oh my goodness.
And hot chocolates. And it looks like, let's see. Oh, that's trash.
I'll take bottom bunk. I'll
And we
let you have
have-
bottom bunk.
I would rather have bottom bunk.
Why? Is that honey?
Honey for Aiden's tea. But I don't know where the tea is exactly, but we'll figure that out.
Yes.
This is espresso. Oh, and
What's
here's
this?
tea. English breakfast black tea. Oh, there's different kinds.
There's
And then we have a bottle of champagne and a bottle of spring water.
Awesome, that's cool.
Here's your
Now we
bed.
just need our.
Mom, here's your bed.
Oh, they didn't. Oh, they have.
Oh my gosh, look at.
They didn't empty out though.
There is a naked woman above your
I
bed.
know. So we just need our
There's a naked
bottle,
woman
our
above
bottled water,
your
a
bed.
24-pack of bottled water.
There's a naked woman above your bed.
I know.
That is
Yes.
very weird.
There's a naked woman above our bed.
Yes. What's wrong with that?
Oh,
Holy cradoodles! Look at this bathroom.
wow.
Oh man, Jennings, are you gonna take a bath in that bathtub?
Yes. And here's your
Okay,
toilet.
I gotta see the.
Here's
Oh,
your
you want to see it?
Yeah, look at this shower, man. Shower head with sprays and I think body sprays. Ooh, and a wand here.
Oh, that's not
And then you can take a shower while the ocean's passing by.
Mom, I guess you're gonna
This isn't
get
gonna
a
make
free
you
robe.
happy.
What?
Mom, I guess
You
you're
can
gonna
see
get
through the toilet.
Hey
Closing
Mom,
that one.
Mom, guess you're gonna get a free robe.
Nice. I got a robe in here.
Ooh.
In your bedroom.
And slippers. Oh my my goodness. Do you know how well I'm going to be able to nest?
Wow. We got a TV. Mirrors everywhere.
I'm going to put the passports in the locker.
Can you fix my
Okay.
shoe? I'm untying it.
Can we put my money belt in there too?
Yeah. I'll just leave it open.
What?
Do you want to check out the balcony?
There's chairs at the balcony. You can sit. The whole bottom. Yes. The whole bottom. It's window. Yes.
Alright. Well, there's Canada Place. So here we are.
This is awesome.
You what?
Cool.
This is awesome.
Is that? Yeah.
What do you think, little bug?
Okay.
Should we go find something to eat?
Yeah, do we want to go to Moderno for the sweet gas lunch?
I think it's up to Jennings.
Well,
Jennings.
where's that map that he gave you?
I'm in there.
What club are you part of?
I'm part of the Dolphins.
And what are you?
Seal. Or.
All right, so where are we?
We are in Moderno. We are having a special sweet lunch, or I guess a lunch for sweet guests. We have ordered the drink of the day. The boys have used their unlimited soda package to order their first soda, which is root beers. How's the root beer?
It's good. I haven't tried it.
Try it. See if it's like the best root beer ever.
It tastes a little different than
Is it good?
Doesn't it taste more like cream soda than root beer?
What'd you get to eat?
I ordered the soup of the day, which is a salmon chowder. That sounded good. And then I ordered a grilled swordfish burger, which that's what Aiden got too, and he got the shrimp cocktail. Jennings got a cheese pizza, and you got the...
I got grilled asparagus,
Grilled
and
asparagus.
pan-seared scallops and shrimp.
Tasty. Sounds good too.
What did you get?
You lucky duck.
Pizza. And you poured an entire little cup of Parmesan cheese on top of it. Is it delicious? Uh-huh.
I'm eating one while I'm waiting for the ranch.
Yeah, just one? Are you going to eat just one while you wait for the ranch?
Could I have your crust?
Dude, you're about to get food.
Oinker over there.
Yes.
And we got, what did we get? Do you remember what that is?
Nope. Drink of the day. It's got vodka and strawberry puree and champagne and basil something.
Yeah, it's good. I like it. It's tasty. Alright, so our food just came. Dan and Aiden got the swordfish burger. Yummy, yummy. And I got the shrimp and scallop risotto. Alright, so we just came back in our room and I had finished cleaning it and everything. And we have some fruit. And we have this little thing that says compliments of the captain. Thank you for allowing us the opportunity to ensure you enjoy your cruise vacation on board. And it is, whoops, it is like little crackers and cheese and olives and shrimp. So yummy little things there. Get out of there for a minute.
My name's Bones. James.
All right, so we found Bar City, and it is a little crowded right now. Kids are just chilling. We're trying to get a martini at the Shaker's Martini and Cocktail Bar. But there's only one dude back there, and he's not the fastest cat in town, so we'll see how this goes. The lifeboat drill is over, thank goodness, and we're ready to start our vacation. Oh, wait, somebody else? Oh, two more people? What's going on? Did you get your card back?
Yes. Here you go.
Hey, kiddos.
monster, right?
Yep.
Aiden said Dr. Pepper. I didn't say Dr. Pepper. I said Pepsi.
Dad, in his natural habitat, drinking a drink with an olive.
There is Aiden, the monster. He pretends to be a human, but he's really not.
Look at this chess game. That's fun. Aiden! And the kids decided they wanted to go in and play while we watched the sail away. So we're at the front. And they are going to play some basketball while we watch as we sail away. There's Vancouver, Canada Place.
So we are sailing away. We just pulled out of Vancouver. I've got Tito's and tonic. Leslie has her sangria. Kids just played some basketball. We're about to go under the bridge, and it's a pretty good day. It's about 65, 70 degrees out here. Slight breeze, feels really nice. Nice and sunny. All right, so we just left Vancouver. Vancouver's over yonder. We are about to go under the bridge. Seems like I looked up what the name of this bridge was yesterday when we crossed it, and now I just, for some reason, don't remember. Oh my gosh. How close was that? That is crazy. That is super cool. That was cool.
We're gonna explore the ship. You know what? He's comfortable in his skin. Okay, we're walking through the fitness center. Not sure. There are free weights. Dad can actually run on those. I'm in the spa. There's like, this is the women's side. Nice little Japan pool and a sauna. There are these little showers. And the hot tub.
Library? Anyone?
Here's the library. Aiden says he has a book, so he doesn't need any more books. There's a card room where you can go play games. Alright, so this is the bridge where they are actually sailing the ship. Pretty cool.
We are in Cagney's. This is our first specialty dining restaurant on our first night. And I got the pineapple coconut mojito at the mojito bar, which was amazing, by the way. We just ordered. Aiden is getting the shrimp, right? The jumbo shrimp. I'm getting the lamb, and you're getting the jumbo shrimp as well, correct? Yeah. So I think it's gonna be really good. Thank you so much. I got a sidecar. Yep.
Hey camera.
What?
Who you looking at?
Who you looking at?
Who you looking at?
Why you got such long arms? Alright, so our food just came. Jennings got the mac and cheese. Whew. I got the garlic shrimp and some garlic mash and mushrooms. Dan, you got the lamb chop and eggplant and onion rings and french fries. Aiden, what'd you get, babe?
Shrimp skewer with some
Asparagus?
yes, and a lemon and that sauce, and then I got mac and cheese and garlic mash.
Nice.
This might be the last words I say this episode because I'm tired.
What are you gonna say?
No. What I just said right.
You're tired?